Hey guys, I'm back here. I just got 4 boxes of Topps 2020 Series 1 baseball. I just opened 2 earlier. I'm about to open the final 2 out of the 4 that I got, so just wanted to do it here and see what we get here. Last box I got Yordan Alvarez Rookie Cup Rookie Rainbow Foil. I think I got a variation of Garrett Cole. I got a lot of rookies. Silver packs, I didn't really have anything in there. I had a regular Fernando Tatis. And I got no autos. I did get 2 jerseys. I got a Charlie Blackmon and a Sonny Gray, I think. Let's see what we get here. Open a silver pack first. Maybe get something good this time here. Pete Alonso. Yordan Alvarez. Trent Grisham. Ken Griffey. I think this one would be numbered, huh? Let's see. Yeah, it's numbered to 25. Wow, that's decent. It's number 16 of 25. Oh, that's good. That's very good, actually. Surprisingly so. So that's a good start. I think he's getting inducted this upcoming year. If I may be mistakenly wrong about that. Let's see what we get now here. So it seems like you get a few gold in a box. You get a few rainbows, and most likely you're going to get a jersey, something like that. Very unlikely to get an auto, it seems. A couple variations usually. Nothing too crazy, unless you get a rookie. Chris Bryant there. And I'll tell you what, I've been getting a ton of cards that are just beat up. Look at that corner. Disappointing. You gotta look in here and see if there's anything numbered, because the vintage will fool you a little bit if you don't particularly look at that every single time at the logo of the Topps on the front. This one seems like it might be a patch. I'll have to edit that part, but I just got cut off again there for a minute with a phone call. This is the second pack out of the box. I only opened one before this, and a silver pack I opened, obviously, but Carson Kelly, team card, Cleveland Indians, Oakland A's, Grossman, Jalen Davis, Sandy Koufax, Ian Kinsler. So the last pack I opened was, just so we catch up here, there's not much. So, but all right, so here we go, third pack. Uncle Brissell, Tyler White, it's Dustin May. I seen a variation of him. I don't have one, but I saw it. It goes for about 25, it looked like. Oh, there's a Biggio. Future Stars, Grandal, Naquin, Griffey's Decade 1990s Best. This is the second one of him that I've seen like this with this corner. I don't know if you can see that, but it's brutal. Wow. Oh well. I guess that's all they're going to be this year. Bunch of busted up corners. Nolan Arenado. Justin Verlander. Aquino, that's a good one. Yelich leaders. Paul Goldschmidt. PJ Crawford. Tommy Pham. Rendon. Solar. So White Sox, Dylan Cease, black, numbered to 299. Number 120 of 299. Just to look real quick to see that there's there are none in there. The next one here, I don't think we got a jersey yet. Lindor, Perez, Toro, rookie. Berto Perez, Freddie Peralta, Logan Allen, Yadier, Molina. Baez, Robert Ozuna. Another destroyed corner. That would be like something that I see as a common thing, at least with the boxes I've received here. Future Stars, Austin Riley. Base, Trent Richards. Bubba Starling, rookie. JD Martinez. Rendon, World Series. Strasburg, League Leaders. Haniger. Soto, League Leader. Bryce Harper, Decades Best Award Winners. 2010s. Vasquez. Alrighty, on to the next one. So like I said, I'm going to rip these two boxes and see here what comes up of before. I mean, I got a Griffey that looked pretty nice, numbered to 25. Justin Turner, Future Stars, Mercado, Clevenger, Billy Hamilton, Giolito, Ronald Acuna, patch, one color patch, Ronald Acuna. It's pretty nice. Couple rookies in there. So that's going to be the card that I get no auto again. So that would be 3 boxes, 3 out of 3 with 3 jersey patches. Bo Bichette, rookie. Tatis, base. Mookie Betts, there he is, Los Angeles Dodger now. And there's a Pete Alonso, destroyed corner. Jeez. And you can't make that up. That's the second one I got of him, but that one's destroyed. No numbered here. Garrett Cooper. Pirates with their $40 million payroll. Doolittle. Brandon Belt. Jake Rogers. Another destroyed corner. Sam Hilliard. Wow, I've never seen so many cards beat up. No, well, I'm not going to complain about it. There's nothing I can do, right? I mean, maybe the boxes, the way that they were transferred, just happened to. All right. Like I said, it destroyed those corners on these cards. A lot of them. Tyler O'Neill, Houston team, Washington team. Wade Boggs, Rojas, and Tommy La Stella. McKay. There's a rainbow foil in here. Hopefully it's good. Munoz, Scherzer. It's hard to get a rookie one. I got one last time, like I said. John Lester. Willie Adames. No, okay. All right. Machado, Matt Chapman, Soto, Jake Lamb, Starlin Marte, Vladimir Guerrero. That is definitely a short print variation. I'm 100% about that. So I'll check that one out. If you see anything, let me know. Yep. So the last card in every single pack, I think, has been destroyed. Not much you can do, I guess. Maeda, Mike Yastrzemski. Glaber, Alonso, Topps now, Home Run Derby champion, Luke Voigt. Kyle Hendricks, Polanco, Devers, Shohei, Scherzer World Series, Verlander League Leaders, Aaron Judge, Trout, Brandon Woodruff. Next week, I'm going to do Donruss Optic breaks. I don't know exactly what yet, but I'm definitely going to be doing them probably Wednesday night. That's when they release. Del Murphy, Decades Best of the 80s. Future Stars, Jeff McNeil. This one has a ton of cards in it, it seems. Future Stars, Senzel. Not many rookies in this so far as big name rookies. Kyan, Drew Miller, Boston, Topps Now, Vlad Guerrero, Jr., Shane Bieber, Austin Nola. JT Realmuto, Zach Greinke, Bregman, Drury, Eloy, base, Chapman, Holt, Bauer, CJ Cron, Springer, Topps Home Run Challenge, Moncada. There's a bunch of variations. You look them up on Cardboard Connection or Beckett. Josh Bell, Pete Alonso, League Leaders, Giles, Glasnow, Austin Barnes, Glaber, Torres, Gold, decent, numbered to 2020. It'll fetch a couple bucks. Cano, LeMahieu, Judge base, Soroka, Adam Frazier, Grisham, Ted Williams, Isolated Power, Moustakas. Bellinger, Conforto, got a rainbow in here, Cueto, Cole Calhoun, rainbow. Yeah, we got about 4 more here in this box. Tyler Flowers, Gary Sanchez, Acuna, Dansby Swanson, Crawford, Austin Meadows, Yankees, Benintendi, Cesar Hernandez. I think I got the whole set already out of 3 boxes. Rosario, Gavin Lux. There's a good variation of him, but that's not it. Scott Kingery, Tanaka, Fears. Archer, Austin Hedges, Aaron Hicks, Trey Turner, Matt Carpenter, Senzel, Pineda. Last pack here, guys. We'll go to the next box. John Gray, Quintana, James Paxton, looks like Enrique Hernandez, rainbow. There's a few rainbows, just nothing too special there. That's that box. Gary Sanchez, Alex Bregman, Javis. So basically here, I haven't gotten a an auto yet. Let's see what happens. I don't know when it's going to come up here though either. Austin Hedges, got Kingery, Acuna. That could be a variation there. That is definitely a short print. Most definitely, I saw that there's a few short prints, and this is definitely one of them. It's probably a decent card. I have to look it up and see what it goes for. Chris Archer, Aaron Hicks, Trey Turner, Ian Desmond, Zach Collins, Bryce Harper, Decade's Best 2010s. I don't see a gold yet. I haven't seen one yet. Ian Kinsler, I've been getting him a lot. I guess you're going to get lots of doubles. Tyler White. Matt Carpenter, Craig Kimbrell. Clayton Kershaw. Rainbow. And destroyed Ian Kinsler. Look at that. Jeez. That's one thing I would say is there's something about these that every single bottom card in the back, or back of the pack is destroyed. Dustin May, rookie. Reese McGuire. Biggio. George Springer. David Price. No, Matt Barnes and Jake Arrieta. Destroyed. I don't feel like I'm doing anything as far as opening these differently either. But Conforto, Rizzo, Shane Green, '80s Ricky Henderson, power speed numbers, Mike Trout. Only got a few here to go. I think I forgot to record part of the video here. I hit the button and something happened. I got knocked off at the beginning there. Clevenger, Hamilton, Jacob, home run challenge, Max Kepler. That's the third one I've gotten of those. I'm waiting to see if we get a auto or if we get a jersey patch. And I think we're going to probably find out here real soon, obviously, right? There's definitely something in here. Rainbow again. Quite a few rainbows. Paul Goldschmidt. Tommy Pham. Rendon. Be nice to get a rookie, though. CJ Cron. Rainbow. Nelson Cruz. Jan Moncada. pull a numbered auto of like Tatis or Alonso or any of them rookies that are terrific. I don't know though. Something's coming up here. Let's see. Aquino. Might just be regular card. Severino. David Dahl. A few more here. Austin Riley, Future Stars. Future Stars, Yastrzemski. Melky Cabrera. Soto. Decade's Best, Dodgers. Carlos Rendon, Hunter Renfroe, Shohei, Glaber, Del Murphy again, 80's Best. Let's see here what we getting. Looking for a nice auto, numbered. Devers, Real Muto, Zach Greinke, Drury, Eloy, Scherzer World Series, Topps Now, Albert Pujols. Few more here. Wrap it up for the day. Like I said, next Wednesday I'm going to be breaking open Donruss Optic Basketball, which Panini Prism has been unbelievable. I had a really good run with it. Just can't find it anymore unless you want to pay the piper, and I'm not feeling like I want to do that. So, but yeah, that's what I'm looking to do next Wednesday night. Alrighty, a few more here. Another patch. Jeez, no autos. Brendan McKay. Scherzer. Lester. Pete Alonso. Well, that'll be worth something at least. Even though it's a base, but it's better than nothing. I'll take it. See if he can tear the cover off the ball like he did last year. He just killed it. My goodness. Verdugo. Jay Bruce, Culberson, Jackie Bradley, Brendan McKay. Them a few times there, those guys. Well, let's see if we can get something here and wrap it up here. 3 more packs to go. Taillon, Red Sox team card. There's a rookie back there. There's a numbered card to number 69. That's a black. Black Anthony Santander. Black. numbered to 69. But I never heard of them. Maybe I'm not that, I've never heard of them. Bichette. Tatis again. They come in the same pack, it seems, huh? Soto. Wheeler. And Judge. Springer. Last one, guys. And this is it for the night. Machado. Chapman. Marte. Harper. Walk-off grand slam, epic comeback. I remember that game. Sam Hilliard. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I appreciate it. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.